So now that with KPSC has postponed the last date for application and also the examination date of CTI, Inspire IAS is happy to launch its third batch CTI Online course which is most holistic and comprehensive. When I say holistic and comprehensive, we are going to cover the entire syllabus in its entirety, including communication paper, where we cover computers and Kannada and even your English language. So we are ಮೂರನ್ನು cover ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಅಲ್ದಿರಾ and whatever the topics that we usually don't prefer studying. Say for example, ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು Indian society and its dynamics ಇರ್ಬೋದು, rural cooperatives ಇರ್ಬೋದು, or land reforms ಇರ್ಬೋದು. So this is not usually prepared by students, and these are all new topics to students. So we will be providing notes for these topics also, and we'll be providing you with the test series for these topics also. The entire syllabus will be completed in a crash course mode within a period of 45 days, so as to make you equipped and prepare this for this examination and appear in this examination with complete preparation. So 45 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ full syllabus ಮುಗಿಸಿ with ನಿಮಗೆ test series ಕೂಡ we are going to provide. So we'll complete the syllabus, we'll provide the test series, and we'll provide the notes also for the topics which are mentioned in the syllabus copy. ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. And ಇದು ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೋಬೇಕಿದು, ನಾನೆಲ್ಲ ಓದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. So for those people who are preparing for the first time, this will be a course which will equip you with the needed knowledge to appear in this examination in a better way. Instead of preparing yourself, you'll get the hand holding and you'll get the guidance from the most experienced faculty and who have already done these batches for the 2 times. Already the batch ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So they know how to tackle this and and we have analyzed the previous year papers, so we know what is needed for this examination. And for those people who are already prepared, sir ನಾನು already prepare ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ sir, you will get a refresher course, so that if your chances, if you are at 120 ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ, maybe you will get yourself pushed to 140 by completing this course or 145 by completing this course. So it will give you have a better edge compared to others. And the timing of this course is most flexible even for the working professionals also, because the timing will be 6 a.m. to 7:30 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. to 7:30 in the evening. So easily everyone can access, and we will be providing you with the recorded videos also, so that you can watch these sessions. If you miss the session, you can watch it, or if you attended this session, you need a revision or you have some doubt, you can go back to the video, like see the video, answer the test series, and in the classroom the faculty will discuss all the previous year questions also, so that you are better equipped. So with KPSC postponing, use this opportunity wisely, make use of the time better, so that you'll have a chance of clearing this examination and you are better than the rest. So use this opportunity and convert your preparation into selection.